Hey guys, this is going to be a quick one. I wanted to at least show you because I've been catching a few people stating they've been having trouble getting the clamp off of the OEM hose for these cold air intakes. So I'm going to show you the construction of this and also how to easily undo it. Even though this isn't on the car, it's the same principle. You just need 2 pocket screwdrivers. It's not hard at all. But as you can see, one of the main things to pay attention to is this on the side. When you pull this out, that will lock into place. But outside of that, I also wanted to show you the passenger side hose, because this is the one most people will have trouble with because of the I think it's a PCV valve that goes right here, but also this lower clamp on this side. The apron, the fender apron here, goes about right here, and there's not much space, so you'll need to get some extensions and whatnot to get to that. But let's get back to this clamp real quick, just to show you. This thing in principle very easily will release like that. You'll notice that if you try to just do one side, sometimes you'll be fiddling with this and the other side will pop back down. So we found it easier, me and my buddy Jason, when we were doing this, we put one on that side, one on that side, and then once we got it fiddled around there, locked into place, it sometimes can be a little bit of a pain. But you'll see once it's locked into place, it's free, and that's how you get it off. It's a little bit of patience, but you can get it done, and it just snaps into place. And that's it, guys. Y'all have a good one.